Hello, welcome to e-learning second lecture. My name is Dipti Gate, student of Electrical Engineering Department. Our course name is Energy Conservation and Audit. Our first unit is Energy Conservation Basics. Objectives: student will be able to explain the role of BEE and MEDA. BEE is a Bureau of Energy Efficiency and MEDA is a Maharashtra Energy Department agency. Interpret the star labeling of various machines, equipments, etc. BEE, Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Now, what is BEE? BEE is the Government of India set up Bureau of Energy Efficiency. That means BEE. On 1st March 2002, under the provisions of the Energy Conservation Act 2001, the mission of the Bureau of Energy Efficiency is to assist in developing policies and strategies with a thrust of on self-regulation and market principles within the overall framework of the Energy Conservation Act 2001, with the primary objectives of reducing energy intensity of the Indian economy. Role of BEE. What is the role of BEE? BEE to coordinate with the designated consumers, designated agencies and other organizations, and recognize, identify and utilize the existing resources and infrastructure in performing the functions assigned to it under the Energy Conservation Act. Functions of BEE: to create awareness and disseminate information on energy efficiency and conservation, arrange and organize training of personnel and specialists in the techniques for efficient use of energy and its conservation, strengthen consultancy services in the field of energy conservation. Functions of BEE: to formulate and facilitate implementation of pilot projects and demonstration projects, promote use of energy efficient processes, equipment, devices and systems, take steps to encourage preferential treatment for use of energy efficient equipment or appliances, promote innovative financing of energy efficiency projects, give financial assistance to institutions for performing efficient use of energy and its conservation, prepare educational curriculum on efficient use of energy and its conservation, implement international cooperation programs relating to efficient use of energy and its conservation, develop testing and certification procedures and promote testing facilities. With the growth of economy, the demand for energy has grown substantially. Further, the high level of energy intensity in some of the sectors is a matter of concern. In such a scenario, efficient use of energy resources and their conservation assumes tremendous significance and is essential for curtailment of wasteful consumption and sustainable development. Recognizing the fact that efficient use of energy and its conservation is the least cost option to meet the increasing energy demand, Government of India has enacted the Energy Conservation Act 2001 and established the Bureau of Energy Efficiency in March 2002. The Act provides for institutionalizing and strengthening delivery mechanism for energy efficiency services in the country and provides the much needed coordination between the various entities. Energy savings is a national cause of all of us will have to join hands to make all our out efforts in making India an energy efficient economy and society, so that not only we remain competitive within our own market but also are able to compete in the international. This is a This is a complete in the international. Okay. Now MEDA. What is MEDA? MEDA is a Maharashtra Energy Development Agency. It is a registered as a society in 1985 and Bombay Public Trust 1987. When is public in 1987 and is registered as a society in 1985. Okay. It is the under agencies of MNRE GOI. It provides assistance to both state and central government for promoting and developing new and renewable sources of energy and technologies. Maharashtra Energy Development Agency. It helps both state and central government to promote and implement energy conservation. It works as a state nodal agency in renewable sector and state designated agency in energy conservation sector. It is committed to explore the resources such as wind, biogas, cogen, hydro, biomass, geothermal, wave, which are clean and eco-friendly in nature. Responsibilities of MEDA. Now, what is the responsibilities of MEDA? Now we will discuss in one by one. First is to identify types of stakeholders for energy conservation buildings code. That means ECBC, Energy Conservation Building Code. Capacity building training workshop. To identify location for training workshops. To identify organism which can organize such training workshops. To seek financial help for MEDA. To arrange export speeches for such trainings. This is the MEDA organization chart. Now see this chart and understood. Okay. Now NPC is a National Productivity Council. National Productivity Council of India, established in the year 1958, is an autonomous organization under department. NPC is an autonomous organization under Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. Besides undertaking research in the area of productivity, NPC has been providing consultancy and training services in the areas of industrial engineering, agribusinesses, economic services, quality management, human resource management, information technology, technology management, energy management, environmental management, etc. to the government and public and private sector organization. Functions of NPC: productivity publication, productivity research and database, consultancy to organization and productivity improvement, enhance energy management and environment management by maintaining productivity information through workshops, seminars, conference, etc. Productivity awards. Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency, IREDA. Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited is a mini Ratna Category 1 Government of India enterprise under the administrative control of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy MNRE. IREDA is a public limited government company established as a non-banking financial institution in 1987, engaged in promoting, developing and extending financial assistance for setting up projects relating to new and renewable sources of energy and energy efficiency or conservation with the motto Energy for Ever. Thank you.